Studying our topic mensuration, in which we have learned about the total surface area of cube, cuboid and cylinder. The total surface area of a cuboid is 2 into bracket LB plus BH plus HL, where L is the length of the cuboid, B is the breadth and H is the height of the cuboid. Similarly, the total surface area of a cube is equal to 6 into L square, where L is the side of the cube, and the total surface area of a cylinder is equal to 2 pi r into h plus r. 2 pi r into h plus r, where r is the radius of the plane surface and h is the height of the cylinder. So we are now solving some examples related to these formulas. So first is, there are two cuboidal boxes as shown in the figure. Which box requires the lesser amount of material to make? Here in the first figure, a cuboid of length 60 centimeter, breadth 40 centimeter and height 50 centimeter is drawn, while in the second figure, a cuboid of length 50 centimeter, breadth is also 50 centimeter and height is also 50 centimeter. If we are asked to find how much amount of material, that is metal sheet or paper or wood or the cost of coloring the surface is asked, then we must find the surface area, say surface area of the given solid figure or solid shape. Here, first of all, we will find the total surface area of the first figure. So it is total surface area of first cuboid, that is equal to 2 into LB plus BH plus HL, and that is equal to 2 into bracket 60 into 40 plus 40 into 50 plus 50 into 60, where length is 60, breadth is 40 and height is 50 centimeter. Here 60 into 40, the multiplication is 2400 plus 40 into 50 is 2000 plus 50 into 60 is 3000. So sum of 2400 plus 2000 plus 3000 is equal to 7400, and we have to multiply it by 2. After multiplication by 2, we will get the product 14,800 centimeter square. So total surface area of the first cuboid is 14,800 centimeter square. Means the material required to make the first cuboid is 14,800 centimeter square. Now we will find the total surface area of the second cuboid. So here total surface area of second cuboid is equal to 2 into bracket LB plus BH plus HL is equal to 2 into bracket Here we know that length is 50, breadth is 50 and height is also 50. So L into B it will be 50 into 50 plus B into H it will be again 50 into 50 plus H into L is again 50 into 50 and 50 into 50 it will be 2500 plus 2500 plus 2500. The sum of all the three 2500 is 7500 and we have to multiply it by 2. After multiplication we will get the product 15,000 centimeter square. That is the total surface area of the second cuboid is 15,000 centimeter square. Now from both the total surface areas it is seen that the first cuboid will require less material. The first cuboid will require the less material. Now we have to solve the second example, that is a suitcase with measures 80 centimeter by 48 centimeter by 24 centimeter. That is length is 80 centimeter, breadth is 48 centimeter and height is 24 centimeter, is to be covered with a tarpaulin cloth. Full stop. How many meters of tarpaulin of width 96 centimeter is required to cover 100 such suitcases. Now here first of all we have to find the total surface area of the one suitcase. So here total surface area of one suitcase is equal to 2 into LB plus BH plus HL, and that is equal to 2 into 80 into 48 plus 48 into 24 plus 24 into 80. The product of 80 into 48 is 3840 plus 48 into 24 it will be 1152 plus 24 into 80 it will be 1920, and sum of the terms in the bracket will be 6912 and we have to multiply 6912 by 2. Then we will get the multiplication 13,824 centimeter square, which is the total surface area of the one suitcase. Now there are 100 suitcases, so we must multiply 100 to the total surface area of one suitcase. So here total surface area of 100 suitcase is equal to 100 into 13,824 and that is equal to 13,82,400 centimeter square. So surface area, now we have to find the surface area of the tarpaulin having means to surface area of 1 meter of tarpaulin, that is equal to 1 meter is converted into centimeter, that is 100 centimeter into 9,006 means 96 centimeter, so it will be 9,600 centimeter square, means area of 1 meter tarpaulin cloth it will be 9,600 centimeter square. That is 1 meter of tarpaulin can cover 9,600 centimeter square surface, but we know we have total surface that is 13,82,400 centimeters square. So here 13,82,400 divided by 9,600 meters, and that will be 144 meters. So in this way 144 meter of tarpaulin cloth is required to cover 100 suitcase. To cover 100 suitcase. Now, there is one more example we have to solve. That is, find the side of a cube. Find the side of a cube whose surface area is 600 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वेअर. आता या ठिकाणी आपल्याला साइड दिलेली नाही, मीन्स साइड इज नॉट गिवन. सो लेट अस कन्सिडर इट बी x सेंटीमीटर. सो राइट डाउन, लेट द साइड ऑफ अ क्यूब बी x सेंटीमीटर, and therefore total surface area of a cube is equal to 6 into side square, and that is equal to 6 into x square centimeter square. But the total surface area is given 600 centimeter square, so 600 is equal to 6x square, and 600 upon 6 is equal to x square, so x square is equal to 100. Means to find the value of x, we have to take square root on both sides, and therefore square root of x square is x and square root of 100 is 10. So x is equal to 10 centimeter, and therefore the side of the cube is 10 centimeter whose total surface area is 600 centimeter square. Now there is one more example. A closed cylindrical tank of radius 7 meter and height 3 meter is made from a sheet of metal. Full stop. How much sheet of metal is required? Again we have to find how much sheet of metal. That is, we have to find the area of the sheet of the metal to make the cylinder or cylindrical tank. So again we have to find the total surface area of the cylinder, because here we are given that a closed cylindrical means the cylinder is closed to the both sides, means its both plane surface areas are there, plane surfaces are there. So here radius of the cylinder r is equal to 7 meter and height of the cylinder h is equal to 3 meter, it is given. And now we will write the formula for the total surface area of the cylinder. That is, total surface area of the cylinder is equal to 2 pi r into bracket r plus h. 2 pi r into r plus h, and that is equal to 2 into 22 upon 7 into r is given 7 into bracket again r is 7 plus h is 3, so 7 plus 3 meter square. Here 7 will be cancelled, so we will get here 22 into 2, that is 44 into 7 plus 3 is 10, so 44 into 10, it will be 440 meter square, and therefore total sheet of metal required is 440 meter square.